Have you ever wished to change project's HTML5 output templates? For example, the player borders, the toolbar, or the consistent color for the whole output. This video will show you how to do that. First of all, access the Export tab to open the player settings window. As can be seen, ActivePresenter provides you with several skins to define the layout of the player. Now, just select one from the list to change the project skin. New skin brings a different look. Then, feel free to have more customizations in the general parameters. For example, place the sidebar to the right of the canvas. Or show the DOC button in the player's toolbar. Also, each skin comes with a variety of presets to choose from, and make changes if you want. Once you select any built-in preset here, the whole player will apply consistent color. Then, you can navigate to the color parameters to adjust colors for specific sections. If you're satisfied with the settings, click OK to save what you've made. Now, let's see how your project output in HTML5 looks like. That's it.